Rest of all things are good. Okay, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Here. Now, probability. What is probability? Probability is nothing but the favorable cases upon total cases. Understood, students? What is probability? Probability is nothing but the favorable cases upon total cases. For example, you all know that the probability it will rain is 2 by 3. The probability it will rain is 2 by 3 means out of 3 factors. Are you understanding, everybody? Out of 3 factors, there are 2 factors are in the favor of raining. The meaning is very simple. Total cases are 3. 3 factors are in your favor. So total 3 cases, 2 factors are in your favor. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Now, let's try to move forward. Suppose I told you the probability India wins the match is 1 by 2. Means out of 2 chances, India have only 1 chance of winning the match. Following, everybody? So here we have to say total chances. Total chances are 2 students. In that, only 1 chance is this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. So 2/3 chance. What is this 2/3 chance? The 2/3 chance is what? Raining. Suppose the probability it will not rain, it's very simple. What you need to do is what? You have to do 1 minus. What you're supposed to do, students? You have to do 1 minus. When you do 1 minus, so it will be 1 by 3. Who is this 1, by the way? 1 is nothing but the total probability. Students, remember that total probability is nothing but 1 or 100%. Yes, when you learn percentages, you'll understand that 1 is nothing but 100%. Half means 50%. These all things you all know that. Is it fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward. The probability it will rain is 2/3. The probability it will not rain is 1/3. How you got this not raining? From total probability, if you remove the raining probability, it will not rain. The probability India wins the match is 1 by 2. The probability India wins the match is 1 by 2. From total probability, if you remove the winning probability, so definitely not winning probability is also 1 by 2. Is that fine, students? Is it clear to you? Everything is fine? Chaliye. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward. Okay. So what is this probability and what are the kind of questions they're going to give you? Very simple question. Let's try to see the screen here. What did you see on the screen here? From numbers 1 to 10. From the numbers 1 to 10, a number is drawn at random. I'm picking one random number at random. What is the probability that the number is a prime number? What is the probability that the number is a prime number? Are you understanding, students? What's the probability that the number is prime number? Very simple. So here we are supposed to write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, students, how many numbers are there? 10 numbers are there. Okay, in these 10 numbers, I'm picking one number. Which number I'm picking, I don't know. Okay, so one number I'm picking. So I want that particular number to be what number, students? Prime number. So here, the total cases, as I told you, probability is nothing but total cases. Here, total 10 numbers are there. You can check it out here. Total, how many numbers are there, students? 10 numbers. So total 10 numbers are there. And your favorable cases is nothing but prime number. Following, you want the prime numbers out of all the numbers. Are you understanding, every student? That's good. So how many prime numbers are available in this? 1 to 10. Can we do it, everybody? Yes. Have a look here. So I'm just trying to write on the denominator. Denominator is nothing but the total cases. Students, 10 cases are there. How many cases are there? 10 cases are there. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Okay. So here we'd like to find out how many are what cases, students? Tell me what cases? Prime. So 2 will come here. 3 will come here. 5 will come here. 7 will come here. So how many cases are there? 4. Well, how many cases are in your favor, students? 4. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So 4 people in your favor. Are you understanding? Divided by 10. Divided by all the 10 cases, 4 people are only in your favor. Are you understanding? Who are those 4? 1 is 2, 1 is 3, 1 is 5, 1 is 7. So these are the only 4 people who are coming in your favor. Are you understanding? Out of 10. So simple answer, that is 4 by 10. In short, you can also say 2 by 5. Later you can do the cancellation, you can say 2 by 5. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it very clear to you? Yes, this is where we are supposed to do the questions. Probability is nothing. Yes, 4C1 by 10C1. Usha Sri is saying That is 4C1 by 10C1. Usha, definitely that I'll tell you after some time. Definitely I'll tell you that one also. Why to use this C1? I don't want you to confuse the students. Let's try to have a look. Very simple now. Here, suppose he's not asking a prime number. He's asking you not a prime number. He's asking you how many, okay? One number is picked at random. What's the probability the number is divisible by 2? What's the probability the number is divisible by 2? Once again, let's try to go back to problem here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what's the probability number is divisible by 2? Simple, students, very simple. Numbers are divisible by 2. You have to count literally. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, bolo, how many numbers are in your favor? 5 numbers out of 10. This is what the probability is. So, we can say 1 by 2. So, 50% chance, students. 1 by 2, as you all know that. You are also getting. How much chance, students? 1 by 2. That is 50% chance. Is that fine, everybody? Other things are clear to you? That's good. That's good. Now, students, let's try to move forward now. Here, I'm just writing one small question. From the numbers 1 to 20, listen to this question very carefully. From the numbers 1 to 20, a number is drawn at random. Drawn is nothing but picked at random. Drawn is nothing but what, students? Picked at random. What is the probability that the number is either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3? Understanding, students? What is the probability that the number is either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3? Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward. From the numbers 1 to 20, what I'm writing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. Okay, in these numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 2? Very good. So, divisible by 2 is nothing but 2 or 3, I told you. How many numbers are divisible by 2? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What do you write down, students? How much? 10 numbers. 20 is also divisible by 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Okay, now, you have many numbers, students. You have many numbers. You have many numbers. I'm just trying to erase this one. If you want, I just want to write down here. तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से numbers है. Oh, I have reached to that corner. Okay, Mayank Tiwari have got 13 by 20. Okay, Reshma have got 13 by 20. Okay, now, anyway, students, I'm happy that you are getting something here. But have a look here. How many numbers are divisible by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, so on, so on, so on, so on. That's you got it. Okay, but answer is not important. Just try to listen, everybody. Now, we have to know how many numbers are divisible by 3. So, how many numbers are divisible by 3 here? 3, 6, 12, 15, and so on, so on, so on. So, tell me how many numbers are divisible by 6. You all know that in these 20 numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 3 are 6 numbers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then 18. Are you understanding, everybody? So, divided by what? Total cases. Tell me, the students, what is total cases? 20 cases. So, we believe that. Students, we believe that the answer is 16 upon 20. Are you understanding? We believe that the answer is 16 upon 20. That is wrong. Try to understand that. Are you understanding, everybody? 16 by 20 is wrong. Why? Because there are some common cases. Listen, everybody. There are some common cases, students. So 4 by 5 is not the answer. Sarika, Grishma, try to understand that. Try to understand that. This is wrong answer. Following. Why it is wrong? Are you understanding what I mean to say? Why it is wrong? I will show you. Are you understanding, everybody? Have a look now. There are some common numbers. There are some common numbers which are divisible by 3 also and which are divisible by 2 also. Who are those two numbers? It's very simple. Those numbers are said to be LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 means a common number which is divisible by 2 also and a common number which is divisible by 3 also. So you should tell me one common number which is divisible by 2 also, 3 also. Are you understanding, everybody? It's very simple. The number which is divisible by 2 also, 3 also is nothing but 6. Look, the number 6. The 6 I've already counted in this 2 table. The 6 is again coming in this 3 table. So there are certain numbers, students. There are certain numbers which are coming both cases, not just 6. See one more number. What's that? 12. So 12 have already come in this 2, and it is also coming in 3 once again. So certain numbers you are counting in both the cases. So we have to remove those common. Not only that, let's try to move forward. Like, kya bolte hain, say 18. 18 number is counted is 18. 18 is counted here also. Following, there are certain numbers you are counting in both the cases. Those numbers you have to separate. Try to understand that. So that is nothing but LCM, students. What is that? That is nothing but what, students? LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 I'm supposed to subtract. Following, here I have to subtract. LCM of 2 and 3. Could you please tell me what's the LCM of 2 and 3, students? That is 6. So how many 6 numbers category are there? 1, 2, 3. Those 3 numbers we have to subtract. The best answer is 13 upon 20 is the perfect answer. I hope, Usha, you have also got it. Everybody have got it. I hope you people have understood this. How many numbers he told you? 1 to 20. He told you 1 to 20. But my question is not 1 to 20, students. My question is not 1 to 20. Look at that. I'm making a small change, students. It's not 1 to 20. I am writing 1 to 60. Question is slightly bigger now. Students, question is slightly bigger. Try to understand that. I'm not writing 1 to 20. I'm writing 1 to what, students? 1 to 60. So do you think that you are supposed to write down all these numbers like this 1 to 60? Tell me, do you have that much of patience? Do you have that much of here like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on to 60. Do you do this question writing till 60? No. How to do it? Have a look here. Tell me, in this 60 numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 2? Very simple. What you need to do, students? 60 numbers are there divisible by 2. Simple. 60 by 2, that is 30. Are you understanding? Now, let's try to go with the divisibility of 3. Okay. Now, same 60 numbers are there. How many numbers are divisible by 3? Don't count like this. 3, 6, 9. Don't do like that. You all know that. 60 divisible by 3. That's it. 20 numbers. 60 by 3. 20 numbers. You know what's the meaning of or? We have learned in permutation and combinations. That's true. Okay. Now, what are you going to do now? Here we follow. There are some common numbers which are in 2 also. There are some common numbers which are there in 3 also. We have to subtract them. What we are going to do, students? Subtract them. So tell me, in this 60 numbers, how many 6 category? How many 6 category numbers are there? So that's very simple. 60 by 6, that is 10. So divided by what? 100. Following everybody, students. So you all know that this is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 by 60. 22, sorry, 40 by 100. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake here. It's not 40 by 100, 40 by 60. Yeah, 40 by 60. So 40 by 60 is nothing but 2/3. 2/3. Oh, tumko to aa bhi gaya 2/3. That's good. You people are a little faster. So Rahul is asking, do we need to count each time manually? No, Rahul. This is what we are supposed to do. Rahul, तुमको हमने बता दिया है. तुमको अभी solve होना चाहिए. So what is the question? What is the number that is divisible by either 2 or 3? So tell me what's the answer? 2 by 3. My question is like this. Not divisible by. My question is changing, students. Not divisible by 2 or 3. Simple. Total probability minus divisible means what? 1 by 3. Who are these 1 by 3? Not divisible. Whenever they ask you not divisible, first you do either or. Whatever you get the answer to do 1 minus. This is the same question 1 to 60. देखो मैंने कैसे किया. चलिए, no worries. Do these 2 questions. Should I give the time also? Yeah, take the time, students. How? Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to tell you how. Listen, everybody. From the numbers 1 to 1000, this is so you got it 2 by 5. I need not explain you. He's saying here the numbers is either divisible by 4 or 5. Following? चलिए. Now, how many numbers are there, students? How many numbers are there? 1 to 6000. Either divisible by 4 or divisible by 5. either divisible by 4 or divisible by 5. Following everybody? Chaliye. 1 to 6,000. Either divisible by 4 or divisible by not 5, I guess. Divisible by 5? Oh, yeah, it's 5. Yeah, both are same questions. Okay. Yeah. Let me check whether this is right or wrong. Even I don't know about that. Okay. Now, let's do divisible 4 or 5. Now, so let's have a look, everybody, students. Okay. Yeah. So 1 to 6,000. In 6,000 numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 4? That's very simple. 6,000 divisible by 4 or 1,200 numbers, not 1,200, 1,500. All meaning is nothing is plus. Okay, in the 6,000 numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 5? That is 1,200 numbers divided by 6,000. Following everybody, students? Following? Now, we are supposed to find out how many numbers are common numbers. The L, as you all know that, the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is nothing but 20. Following everybody, students? LCM is how much? 20. So we should know in the 6,000 numbers, how many 20 numbers category are there? That is 5. Are you understanding, everybody? Not 5, I guess 3. 300. So I have supposed 300 those things. Following everybody, let's have a look, everybody, here. 2,700. Yes, I know that. This is 2,700 minus 300, 2,400 divided by 6,000. Is it true? Yes, it's true. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 12 2 is a 12 5. That's it. Okay, so both answers are 2 by 5. Students, both answers are 2 by 5. But 2 by 5 is not given in this option. Following. Is that fine, everybody? Clear? Clear? That's good. Now, let's try to move across. Okay, one student have a doubt. Sir, if it is like, previously 1 to 20, here, one of the student have a doubt that, okay, in this 20 numbers, where is that 20 numbers? Yeah, in this 20 numbers, if divisible by 3 is there, so 20 to not perfectly divisible by 3 now, so how will you get it? Following everybody? Yes, Kasi, have a look here. If you divide this, okay, if you divide this 20 divided by 3, it is not perfectly divisible. Okay, but 3 6 3 6 18. 3 6 18. 1 is left or 2 is left. 2 is left. When you put 2, put 0.0. Again, I'll get 3 6. Answer is 6.66666. Understanding, Kasi? You're getting 6 points. So what you're going to take that, remove the decimal part. Remove the decimal part, you take only this part. Which part? Divisible by 6. There are 6 numbers, Kasi. Okay, so this is the way we have to understand that. Clear? So you might not be divisible. So what is the perfectly is there? That is 100%. Are you understanding, Kasi? I believe. This is a question which I'm giving you right now. Here, listen, everybody. What is said that? What is said that? Out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, listen to it very carefully, students. Listen to it very carefully. So, am I asking you, listen, everybody. Am I asking you, out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, a 2-digit number is picked at random. Who is picked at random? A 2-digit number. Means, out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, I'm asking out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30. Means, are you picking from 30 numbers? No, students, be careful. I am picking from all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30. I am picking from all the 2-digit numbers. So tell me what are the 2-digit numbers lying in from 1 to 30? That you have to choose. Following everybody? Clear? Now, out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, 1 to 30 means don't try to think denominator is 30. You're not picking from 30 numbers. You're picking from 2-digit numbers. Okay? Now, let's try to go across in 2-digit numbers here. 1 to 30. Do you have any idea who are the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30? That's good. 1, not 2, no, that's not it. 3, no, 4, no. So 9, no. So first number is what? 10. That's good, Amit Patel. 10 to 30. Are you picking from 1 to 30 or 10 to 30? Sir, I'm not picking. I'm not picking from this. I'm picking from this. Ardhamaitundi. I guess I have you have understood this. Okay, you're picking from 10 to 30. Is your denominator is 30 cases? No, sir. My denominator is not 30. Following everybody, my denominator is not 30. Then what is your denominator? You're picking from 10 to 30. So definitely it's 21 numbers. Bolo students, how many numbers? 21 numbers. Why? Out of 30, who are the 9 numbers you are subtracting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you subtract those 9 numbers, 21 numbers are there. So my question is, out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 30, I'm not picking from here, I'm picking from here. Are you understanding? Is that clear? That's good. So a 2-digit number is picked at random. So from here you're picking a 2-digit number, you're picking at random. From here you're picking how much, sir? A 2-digit number. You're picking a 2-digit number. So what is the probability? What is the probability that the number is not divisible by 3? The number is not divisible by 3, students. When he told the number is not divisible by 3, you should understand that divisible by 3. What should you divisible by 3? Whatever you get the answer, we'll see later. Are you understanding, everybody? Is that clear to you? Chaliye. Now, you all tell me from 10 to 30, how many numbers are divisible by 3? I don't know. But here I will take the help. From 1 to 30, now, Kasi, you had a doubt now? Have a listen. 1 to 30, how many numbers are divisible by 3? 10 numbers. How many numbers are divisible by 3? 10 numbers. But let me ask you one thing, students. Are you picking from 1 to 30? No, na. So you have to tell me how many numbers will be there in this range. How many numbers will be there in this range? In this range, so divisible by 3, 30 numbers. So with the help of this, I can tell you this. Because out of 10 numbers, 1 to 30, 10 numbers are divisible. So I am going to remove 3 numbers from these 10 numbers. Who are those 3 numbers? 3, I don't want in this category. 6, I don't want in this category. 9, I don't want in this category. So how many numbers are there, students? 7. I hope you're understanding now. So in 10 to 30, there are 7 numbers which are divisible by 3. Understood the simplicity? Take the help of this. 1 to 30, divide 30 by 3. That is 10 numbers. From 10 numbers, remove 3 people. 3, 6, 9. Because they are single digit. They don't come under this category. Are you understanding, everybody? How many numbers, students? 7. So in this 21 cases, 7 numbers are those numbers which are divisible by what? 3. So answer is what? 1 by 3. But this 1 by 3 is what? Divisible. But what did he ask you here? Not divisible. So simple. 1 minus. What is that, students? 1 minus. So simply say the answer is what? 2 by 3. It is not 30 numbers. Denominator is what? 21 numbers. You're not picking from here, you're picking from here. But I'm taking this as a reference. Oh, thank you. So I'm going to give you 2 questions. I'm going to give you 2 questions, everybody. Just try to understand these 2 questions. One question is a gate question, Baba. And one question is a Capgemini question asked in 2019, last year. Following everybody, same 4 minutes of time I am giving you. Yeah, Bharadwaj, I've got it out in the 7th one. Good. Bharadwaj, let's discuss this doubt. The second one is a gate question which we have done, but this question and this question both are same. Here I told you not divisible by 3, here it's given not divisible by 7. Following? Chaliye. Now, this question is a Capgemini question which you have done just now. Okay, 5 or 7 balls. I copied this thing from somewhere. I have pasted it. That's it. Nothing else I'm doing right now. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's sort of move forward now. How to do that question? What is said that here 1 to 100. Out of all the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 100? No. I'm not doing from 100. I'm sorry. Okay, it's not from 100. I want the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 100. Do you have any idea what are the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 100? So, you tell me. Some of the people have written the denominator as. Some of the people have written the denominator as 90. Is this wrong? Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. Some of the people have written the denominator as 91. I don't know who is that. Might be Reshma have written. Might be the person who have asked the doubt, who asked that doubt just now. Bharadwaj, you might have written 91. It's not 91 students. Tell me, in 1 to 100, how many are two-digit numbers? 10 to 99. Understanding, students? 10 to what? 99. Means 10 to 99 means you are removing 100 also, because 100 is a 3-digit. Don't do this silly mistake. Some people might have done that 91. This is wrong. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's good. Now let me just try to ask you one simple kind of. Are you picking from 1 to 100? No, students. Are you picking from 10 to 99? Yes, students. So you're picking from 10 to 99 only. Means denominator total cases are 90 only, not 100. Following, everybody? Is it clear? Now what did he ask you? He asked you how many numbers are there which are divisible by 7. Or what do I know how many numbers are divisible by 7? So 100 is very simple. 100 divided by 7. Bolo, how many numbers, students? 14 numbers are there. How many numbers, students? 14 numbers are there. So Rahul, you know how to get it, Rahul or Kasi? Kasi, have a look here. 100 divisible by 7. 100 divisible by 7, Kasi. It is 14 point change. But I'm not taking change, so 14 numbers will be surely gone. Understood, Kasi? Now, have a look, everybody. So, 14 numbers are going in this range. Here also 14. No, students, here not 14. I'm writing only 13 here. From this 14, I'm subtracting only one number to get this 13. So, do you have any idea who is that one number? 7, Baba, number 7. Remove that number 7, then rest of all the cases are here only. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's good. So answer is what? 13 by 90. But this 13 by 90 is, yes, they are divisible. I want no, they are not divisible. 77 by 90 is a perfect answer. Are you understanding, everybody? Are the things